funny. Shut down here.
Ya que se caiga.
I'll put this video on YouTube, on my channel. If I start uploading videos and shit, you know.
Still raining? Oh yeah.
You ever think I hear about Fort Stewart that freaking don't fucking do that nasty? It's not only water, it's mud. You don't throw mud.
Ew. Pig.
That's mud. It's not just mud. You don't dirty my uniform, butthole.
Mira, you see that nigga fucking jumping in the fucking puddle? Oh, I'm getting wet.
Nah, you just make a fucking finish it over here.
Not cool. Yes. ¿Dónde? Oh. No, they're gonna go straight to the freaking shower.
Yeah, I see all the fucking fans.
Ew, she dead as fucking. Mira, se está echando el agua esa. On her fucking arm.
Oh, don't brutal.
Disgusting.
Not nasty, it's just water and dirt.
Nasty. Mud.
He's from the city, that's why. He's from the country like me. Country boy. Hey, don't throw any mud at each other.
What? See, what is that? That's mud? Nah.
Mud?
Say hi, Mia.
Hi, Mommy.
Say hi, Alex.
Hi.
Here, Bebo, say hi. Bebo. Say hi, Leon. Hi. Okay, I'm getting wet. I'm leaving. You gonna go get wet too?
No.
Yes, you are. Go get wet. Go get wet. I'm gonna push you in the water. In the muddle.
Man,
in the puddle. I said muddle.
Muddle is a puddle missing mud.
Okay, you.
Have mud in it.
Okay.
Do you have mud in it?
Ew, that's nasty. Who gonna take your shower, Papi?
No.
Papi gonna take your shower, right?
No, Papi, let me shower, Mommy.
Who gonna take your shower, Papi, right?
Mommy gonna take a shower. Yay, Mommy.
No, you're gonna take them shower. Shit. You let them come outside and get freaking wet.
Shut up.
You shut up. It's my job, nigga. Please.
All I did was busting out. You endured pain squeezing watermelon size out a little vagina.
Por eso mismo, since I endure all the pain for 9 months, okay, they don't give me the right. They actually give me the right to be lazy for the rest of my life.
Fucking liar.
It does. You're supposed to take them a shower and everything. Ya, yo hice mi trabajo ya, yo lo parí ya. Too bad. Too bad.
That's enough.
Ew, nasties. Ew.
You got the crocodile teddy bear? That's a mud pancake meal?
Yeah. Let's put it on the teddy bear.
I don't know who's gonna eat that.
You like teddy bear? The puppy?
Oh shit, he fell.
You get out.
Yeah, I see, it's nasty. Papi wants 5. Papi wants 5. Go get Papi 5.
I will kick you. You come over here with this shit.
What is
I
that?
want this shit already. Oh, 5 minutes?
What is that?
It's
Oh.
a mud crocodile teddy bear.
Oh yeah, interesting.
Is that it? You guys done?
Alright, that's it?
You guys done?
Yeah, you gotta go in the shower. Look how nasty.
Might as well, you guys come inside.
Yep. Alright, say bye.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, look, let me say bye, Alex. Alex, say bye. Bye. Say bye, Leon. Oh no, Leon. Why would you do that? Nah, stay there. Nigga just fucking pour mud on her head. What the fuck, Leon? Seriously. Why would you do that? Sorry, that was sick.
Don't worry, man. We got shampoo. Now, you take off your pants. So you outside. Let's record that, man.